Hi friends, and welcome again to MA Logics with another amazing mind-cracking math problem. Okay, today we have to solve this question. 12 divided by 3, parenthesis, 8 divided by 2. So what will be the answer? Can you guess in your mind? But twist is that its answer is not what you mostly people are thinking. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's spill the beans. The solution is such as here we have 1 parenthesis and 2 divisions. So according to the rule of PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority than divisions. So first we will solve this parenthesis. Okay, these numbers 12 divided by 3 and 8 divided by 2, which equal to 4. Okay, now our next step is 12 divided by 3 times 4. Okay, now here is 1 division and 1 multiplication. As we know, division has higher priority than multiplication. So 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Here, we left with 4 times 4, and the next step is 4 times 4, which give us 16. Done. Hoo-hoo! And this is our correct answer for the above stated problem. Friends, if you found this video helpful for you, then must share it with others. Follow for more to be tuned.